Big data security and privacy in healthcare. In the recent times, the healthcare organizations are increasing the data generating technologies where the data is stored in a central location which can be used by the pharmaceutical manufacturer to health insurers to hospital and also subsectors which are involved in health organizations using the large amount of data which was never experienced before. With the help of large data, the data can be improved in health outcomes, lowering costs and gain valuable insight. But the privacy and security issues are not hailing to use the full advantages of the big data. In this article, we're gonna discuss about the privacy and security issues in healthcare systems. Big data privacy, the datafication of the personal information. In the new age of big data, we need to think differently about privacy. We need to shift thinking about privacy of old two models of the privacy, the surveillance model and the capture model. In this article, we discuss the datafication model wherein new personal information is deduced by employing predictive analysis on gathered data. Driving for big data, privacy concern in vehicular networking. Communicating vehicles will change road traffic as we know it. With current versions of European and US standards in mind, the authors discuss privacy and traffic surveillance issues in vehicular network technology and outline research direction that could address the issues. Privacy and security of big data, current challenges and future research perspectives. Privacy and security of big data is gaining momentum in the research community due to emerging technologies like cloud computing, analytics engines, and social networks. Several privacy and security of big data model techniques and algorithms have been posted recently, mostly adhering to algorithmic paradigms or model oriented paradigms. In this paper, an overview of state of art research issues and achievements in the field of privacy and security of big data by highlighting open problems and actual research trends. And here we provide the references for that. Thank you.